Solidarity forever.
The management has prioritized payment of tenders and suppliers at the expense of paying workers' salary arrears and has caused untold workers socio-economic and mental anguish. The management is on record having said that teaching staff are not critical service providers and therefore prioritizing suppliers. One wonders, in a university setup, who are the critical service providers? As we speak, the university has not paid our salary arrears, dating back to 2018, amounting to over 2 billion in what the management now calls pending bills.